Yeah.
All right, Ms. Sandy, I think we're ready. Now calling the matter of the people versus Joe Lamar Whitner. This is ticket number P1279593. Count one, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. This is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. Sir, please state your full name for the record.
Joe Lamar Whitner.
Thank you, Mr. Whitner. We also acknowledge the presence of the good Corporal Baker on behalf of the police department. I'm sure the people are ready for trial. I've discussed it with Mr. Whitner. He's going to waive his right to any trial this morning. He's going to plead guilty pursuant to the recommendation here. I am going to stipulate the probable cause on his behalf as to the matter being dismissed here. Thank you.
If that's the case today, Mr. Whitner, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Thank you. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Well, the whole thing is I don't know what's going on, but
Mr. Whitner, before you say, and forgive me, I meant to interrupt you, so I'm asking to forgive me for doing that.
It's okay.
You should know that if you want to take the offer, that it requires that you admit to responsibility here, that you,
okay.
you know, the judge can't legally take a plea from someone who says, you know, I didn't really do it. I'm doing this as a matter of convenience. The law says that you have to tell her that I'm right. So if we make a decision to go on this course of action, then you should know that you have to admit guilt here. Are we willing to do that?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I'm guilty. I'm sorry, Judge.
It's okay.
It's okay. I mean, we had a corporal here. You just have to wait until after I finish my docket so we can start the trial. So it's no problem for me. I don't mind.
Okay.
All right. All right. So admitting guilty because you are guilty. Is that correct?
Correct.
And you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the right that you had to have a bench or a jury trial. We're scheduled for a bench trial today. And you could always have a jury trial, but if you take this plea, you're going to give up that right. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, you still want to move forward today, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. I'm going to take your attention back to the date of November 17th of 2021. Did you have in your name a vehicle, a Ford 2016 vehicle, sir?
Yes.
All right. And did that vehicle not have any car insurance on it at the time?
No.
All right. And counsel, will you stipulate that it was being driven in the area of West McNichols and West Auto Drive in the city of Detroit?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to accept the plea to the amended charge of improper plates in this particular matter. I'm going to dismiss count one. All right. Sir. Now, Attorney Boffman, is it okay if he explains? I want to know what happened.
Sure.
All right.
Talk
Can you
about
tell
it.
me what happened, Mr. Whitner?
Well, to my knowledge, last November my car was down. My axle and my power steering is electric on that car. So it's been down for over a year because it's too expensive for me. I can't afford to fix that vehicle. I have no knowledge of anyone driving the car. That's the whole thing. The car had been in my backyard for the longest time. So I asked my spouse, did she get pulled over? She told me no. Now, only other person that I can think of is my baby sister, but she's no longer with us, so I can't get no answer from her.
Sorry to know that.
Does she have a license? Do you know?
I don't know. To my knowledge, I thought she did, but I don't know.
Yeah, because the first count of the ticket is allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. So that's all I can think of, sir.
Yeah, but unfortunately, it's circumstantially, I can't get an answer from her. So
Mr. Whitner, typically my fine is $200. Are you able to afford that or no?
at the current moment, I finance my household. My wife, my spouse is pregnant right now, expecting. She's not working. She's a high risk where pregnancy. So right now, I can try if you give me time, a little time. I can do that.
I can give you a lot of time. That's something I have available to. It's time. It's either that or some community service, but it sounds like all your free time is working or helping your wife right now. Is that right?
That's correct. I'm contracted through DTE with Flex Underground Services. I just started that job like 2 months. I haven't even put my 90 days in yet.
If I gave you 90 days to come up with $200, you think you could do it?
Sure, yes, of course.
Okay. All right, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give you 90 days. So I'm gonna give you until March 2nd of 2023, okay?
Okay.
All right, I know you don't know what really happened. I'm thinking your sister, and I do send my regrets and my sympathy to you on the loss of your sister, but she may have taken the vehicle out of the backyard and driven.
That's what it sounds like. I don't know. But I appreciate your kindness, Judge.
Oh, no problem, of course. All right, and good luck to you, okay, sir? And good luck to your wife with that pregnancy. I pray that it goes well, okay?
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome. Have a good day, sir.
All
Thank
right,
you,
thank
Corporal Baker.
All right,
Okay.
thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day, everybody.
All right. Attorney Burton Harris, are you just standing in for the adjournment or are you moving forward with this case?
No, I'm just standing for a German judge.
Let me call that matter then. Go ahead, Attorney Bachman, continue to talk to folks. I'm gonna get you out of here then. Did she give you any dates or do you just want me to set it for a pretrial right now?
Just set for a pre-trial. I don't have her schedule.
Okay, all right, so just so you know, Officer Moloff, I think I said it right, Moloff, the attorney of record is currently unable to be in court today. She just sent the court some correspondence. So she and she's in a capacity where she can't physically get on court right now. So
Okay.
I'm sorry. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it for a pretrial date for her. And then, sir, I'll have you come back for then there'll be subpoena sent out for the actual trial date. So
Okay.
it'll be a little ways away, okay? So the next date won't be a trial date. It's gonna be a date for us to get new dates, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and is he coming online today? Do you know, Attorney Burton Harris? It's okay if he
I don't
does.
know. I think she has said that his appearance was waived just for the adjournment, but I haven't
No,
spoken
that's
to
fine.
her.
I'm gonna move forward so you can get off and do the rest of the things that you
Okay.
need to do.
I appreciate you.
I
Thank you.
appreciate you. All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Eric Walton. This is Z ticket 808514. This is one count of operating while intoxicated. Ticket number SP 125272221, one count improper plates. Count two of that, no, I apologize. Case number SP 125342443, wrong way on a one-way street. SP 125342242, disregard traffic control device. Ticket number SP 125342241, violation of the basic speed law or drove in an unsafe manner. And ticket number SP 125272222, drove while license suspended. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Judge Robert Burton Harris, P 81843, standing in for the attorney of record, Ms. Rabina Mustafa. on behalf of Mr. Eric Walton, whose presence is waived.
Thank you so much. And we do have Officer Joe Maloof. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing your name right. Sorry,
Maloof,
Officer.
yes.
All right, who is here today? Today is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. However, earlier this week, I was contacted by the attorney of record, Rabina Mustafa, letting me know that she is currently unable to attend this hearing today based on her being sick at this point in time. And the court is understanding of what she is experiencing right now, and I do not want her to come online right now. I want her to be better. So I am going to adjourn these matters. I'm going to find a call and adjourn these matters for a pre-trial. I will send correspondence to the attorney of record as well to let her know. I'm going to set it for a pre-trial on the date of January 17th. So that gives her until the new year so she can make sure she's 100% and ready to proceed. I'll also let her know that I do want her client to appear at the pre-trial so I can make sure that the bench trial date that we select is good. At that point in time, when we select the bench trial, I will make sure it's far enough ahead, officer, that you will be resubpoenaed for this matter so that you can appear before court that day. Anything else you need to say, Attorney Burton Harris?
Is this for 8:30, Judge, on January 17th?
8:30.
Okay.
Thank you so much for that. 8:30 a.m. Bond will continue for her client. He has appeared at all previous hearings. He was present. And so I know that she has been in contact with him at this time. I appreciate both of you this morning and have a great day.
Thank you. You as well.
You're welcome. All right. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Hey, the gentleman who just zoomed in, what is your name, please?
Dejan Walker.
Okay. Just one moment, Mr. Walker. What time was your case for, Mr. Walker?
Walford, 835.
Oh, Walford. Spell your last name for me.
WOFFORD.
Oh, no wonder I couldn't find it. Okay. All right. I have you checked in, Mr. Walford. Mr. Walford, would you please lower the phone further down? Okay, very good. Okay, Mr. Walford, I'm going to put you in what's called a breakout room. It'll be
Okay.
where there will be nobody on the phone except yourself. Okay, you won't be able to see anybody. We can't hear you. We won't be able to see you either. You're going to be here for a long time, possibly over 2 hours. But do not log off of Zoom. When you're finished discussing the case with Mr. Boffman, who's going to come in and talk to you about the case and about your rights, when you've decided what you're going to do today, leave the breakout room, press leave, and it'll bring you back to the courtroom. Then you'll be placed into a waiting room and you'll stay there until the judge is ready to hear your case. Okay, so the invitation to join the breakout room, press join.
Which one am I supposed to join? Number one?
No, hold on one moment. You'll join number 22.
Okay.
Officer Sammy Wright? Can you unmute yourself for me? I'm trying to find out which ticket you're on for Andre Williams.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which tickets did you write for him?
Yeah, no insurance.
No, no insurance misdemeanor at Joy and Westwood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. They have somebody else listed as the officer, so. Did you have a partner that day?
Might have. Most likely I did.
All right, thank you.
Uh-huh.
Thank you. You're all set. You can just, we were just trying to find out what tickets it was.
Good morning, ma'am. What is your name?
Hello.
Good morning. What is your name?
Hi. My name is Alejanae Williams.
What's the first name again, please?
Alejanae, Alejanet.
Okay, Ms. Williams, I have you checked in.
Okay, thank you.
Ms. Williams, would you please pull the phone lower under your chin? All right, thank you.
I'm sorry. I just got to hold it up because my phone kind of broke to talk to you.
Okay, no problem. I'm going to put you in what's called a breakout room, Ms. Williams, and you'll be there for a while, over 2 hours possibly. Mr. Boffman will come in to talk to you about your case and about your rights. When you finish talking with him and you've decided what you're going to do about your case today, leave the breakout room, press leave, and it'll bring you to the courtroom. And then you'll be put into a waiting room. And that's where you'll stay until the judge is ready to hear your case.
Okay,
So when you receive the invitation to join the breakout room, press join.
okay,
Thank you.
thank you.
Just one moment.
And that's on the side corner when it turned green, that's when I press it.
I believe so.
Okay, I'm sorry, I just wanted to make sure.
Oh, yeah, I appreciate you asking. Just one. Ms. Bernice? Ms. Bernice? Oh, Ms. West? Ms. West, is there a reason you logged off of Zoom? I can't hear you. Turn the volume up on your phone. Ms. West, I can't hear you. Can you hear me? Nod your head if you can. Nod your head if you can hear me. Ms. West, nod your head if you can hear me. Okay, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now, Ms. West? Turn the volume up on your phone. Turn the volume up on your phone.
Hello?
Okay, very good. Hi, Ms. West.
No, I'm Miss White. Am I in the right place?
Ms. White, you left. Is there a reason you left the game?
Yes, you know what? My finger touched something. I think I left.
Okay, did you talk with the attorney?
Yes, and I seen it pop up. He told me press join, and I did, and it popped up. And they'll let me in when they can. I was in the courtroom. This just was
Okay, Ms. White,
just word.
Ms. White, I'm going to put you back in the room.
Okay.
You're freezing.
You say go to what to do?
I'm going to put you in. Have you finished talking with the attorney, right?
Let me in until just wait till they let me in. It was just words up there,
That's right.
but it was attorney, lawyer name, judge name.
Ms. White, you were in a
Mhm.
waiting room.
I was in the,
Back in there. Judge will bring you out when she's ready to hear your case. Don't touch anything on your phone.
okay. I was in the waiting room. Okay.
So don't touch anything on your phone. Don't hang up. Nothing. Just wait there.
I guess it set the phone.
You broke up. I can't understand what you're saying. Okay, the person who just called in, what's your name, please?
Yes, ma'am. How you doing? I was already on the phone, ma'am. I got disconnected. I was calling back. My name is Frederick Wells.
I'm sorry, your name again?
Frederick Wells. They had put me in a room, but I got disconnected. So I'm calling back.
Have you finished talking with the attorney, Mr. Wells?
Yeah, it was certain dude named Henry.
Mr. Wells, did you finish with the attorney?
I don't know. He put me in a room. He told me to be right back.
Okay, I'm gonna put you back
He
in.
told me they're gonna reach. He told me they're pleaded not guilty and something. They put me in
Mr.
whatever
Wells,
room
Mr.
they
Wells,
put you in.
Mr. Wells,
Yeah.
Mr. Wells, Mr. Wells, I'm gonna put you back in the breakout room and the attorney will be back in to speak with you, okay?
All right, that'll work.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
When you receive the invitation, just press it. You're gonna go to number 12. Good morning.
Good morning. Yes, ma'am.
Mr. White, were you here earlier?
What'd you say, ma'am?
Were you here earlier?
No. I just
Okay.
looked. I got a text saying I had a meeting today. I was at a meeting at the job, and I jumped off my machine and came here and got in the van and called y'all and dialed in.
We'll say.
Just one moment, Mr. Wiley.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. All right, Mr. Wiley, I have you checked in.
Okay.
Okay. Mr. Wiley, I'm going to put you in what's called a breakout room.
All right.
Place on your phone where you'll be all alone, be able to see you nor hear you. But Mr.
Okay.
Bob, the attorney, will come in and speak with you about your case and about your rights. After you finish speaking with Mr. Boffman, please leave the breakout room. You'll return to the courtroom. Then you'll be put into a waiting room and you'll stay till the judge is ready to pull you out and bring you to hear your case, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
But don't leave the breakout room until you've decided with the attorney what you're going to do about your case today.
All right.
Thank you. Tyra Wilson.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am. Would you please turn on your camera? Miss, okay. All right, thank you. Are you Tyra Wilson?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just one moment. Okay, Ms. Wilson, I have you checked in. Ms. Wilson, would you lower the camera chest level, please? Okay, thank you. And one other thing, would you please remove your hat? Thank you very much. And Ms. Wilson, I'm going to put you in what's called a breakout room. It's a place where you'll be all alone on the screen. Nobody will be able to hear you nor see you. You're going to be there for a long time, but please be patient. The attorney will come in and speak with you about your case. And when you're finished, did you want to say something, Judge?
No, I just said,
Miss Wilson, why are you so late?
What?
every time
Judge.
Hold on.
Hello?
We got a phone. Hold on a minute. Yes. 1 second. Why are you so late this afternoon? Good morning.
good morning.
Good morning. Yes, I said, why are you so late this morning, ma'am?
I was having a hard time finding the courtroom.
Okay. All right, Sandy, I think it's 2 people in there. You can put them into breakout rooms.
Okay. All right, Ms. Wilson, I'm going to put you in what's called a breakout room. You're going to be there by yourself until the attorney comes in to speak with you. When you're finished discussing your case with him and you've decided what you're going to do, leave the breakout room. That'll press leave, and that'll bring you to the courtroom. Then you'll be placed into a waiting room, and that's where you will stay until the judge is ready to hear your case. So when you receive the invitation to join the breakout room, press join.
Yeah.
Mr. Wiley, did you talk with the attorney yet?
Yes, ma'am. I don't know how I got booted out the meeting. I talked with him.
You decided what you decided what you're gonna do about your case?
Yeah, I'm gonna take the. I think it was for the speeding because my paperwork, my brother can't find that for the insurance.
Wiley, Mr. Wiley, I just wanted to know if we're ready to be put in the waiting room, okay? So I'm gonna put you in the waiting. Thank you.
Okay.
Hello?
Hey, I'm ready.
Okay.
I got three in the, three that are still in there waiting for offers, so I'm monitoring my email here. Whenever those come through, I'll get them out.
Okay.
Can we,
So,
would you mind, Starmania, if we could get her back to work?
Okay, and then on Carlos Washington, this is a state ticket, but I can make an offer. I don't know
Okay,
what-
let me, find him on the docket, okay? So, yeah, what would the offer be, Your Honor? He is willing to take that.
Open and, is it open intoxicants and?
Driver.
pass-
Driver,
So passenger then,
all right, he's willing to do that. I'm gonna bring him out of the breakout room with your permission, Your Honor.
yes. And you said Starmania, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Miss Starmania Walker?
This is a compliance case, Your Honor.
Starmania Walker. Starmania Walker.
There she is.
Oh, there it is. It said the host is not allowing participants to unmute themselves. Okay, I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Starmania Walker. This is ticket number P1263451. One count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Would you state your name for the record, Ms. Walker?
Starmania Lee Walker.
Thank you. The
Welcome.
defendant is here for a show cause because she inadvertently missed the last action date. She's here, and we ask that the court accept a not guilty plea for arraignment purposes, Your Honor. And I would add that she is in compliance. She has sent me a copy of her valid and current driver's license. I have sent that forward to Mr. Gillis, and he did indicate that he received and is willing to dismiss for compliance. I would stipulate to probable cause. Thank you.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf, but since she is in compliance, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ma'am, make sure you always keep your documents up to date. Make sure you keep them on you at all times, especially when you're driving, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right, Carlos Washington.
Ready.
All right.
Can I leave now?
You can leave now, Ms. Walker. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
All right, good. Now calling the matter of the people versus Carlos Lamont Washington Jr. This is ticket number 738555. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, possession of open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, would you state your full name?
Carlos Lamont Washington.
Thank you. Judge, the defendant is going to waive any rights to the trial today. We would also acknowledge that there's a good officer from the Detroit Police Department who appears. Would you state your name, sir?
Sergeant Michael Jackson.
Thank you, and good morning, Sergeant Jackson.
Morning.
The defendant's going to waive his right to any trial today. He's going to plead guilty pursuant to the recommendation. There is one count being dismissed, so on his behalf, I stipulate to probable cause as for the stop. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much. So at this time, sir, if you want to take advantage of this offer, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Washington, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And it's my understanding that you would like to take advantage of this plea today. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today, Mr. Washington?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of October 16th of 2021. Were you in a Chevy vehicle in the area of Larned and Brush Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And did you have open alcohol in that motor vehicle, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
And you already stipulated the probable cause and the remaining count to be dismissed. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of open intoxicant in a motor vehicle passenger. Sir, my fine for this is $240. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
30 days.
All right, I'll have it due no later than January 3rd, 2023, okay?
Okay, you say 240?
240, yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, all right, that doesn't include any reinstatement fees. I don't know if you have any, but if it's reinstatement fees, that's extra, okay?
Okay,
All right, you're all set, Mr. Washington. Thank you so much this morning.
okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Sergeant Jackson. You have a great day and be safe.
You too as well, Judge. Have a great weekend.
I will, thank you. I'm gonna bring in Anthony T. Wiley, that's Officer McCree's case.
Hello?
Hello. Now calling the matter of the people versus Anthony Tyrone Wiley. This is ticket number P115261. This is one count, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P11525592. This is one count, 1 to 5 miles over posted speed. Also calling ticket number 092121. This is one count speeding, 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Would you state your name, sir?
Tony Wiley.
Mr. Wiley is going to waive any right to any trial this morning. He's going to plead guilty to the speeding, and that's going to be reduced to 1 to 5 over limited access, Your Honor. The no insurance count will be dismissed, and I would stipulate the probable cause for the stop. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much. Is that how you want to move forward today, Mr. Wiley?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right, so reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis on the date of January 8th of 2021 in the area of Connor and Midden Streets in the city of Detroit, Mr. Wiley was driving a Ford vehicle and did exceed the speed limit doing 5 miles over limited access. Satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, thank you so much. You've already done a stipulation for probable cause. So the court is going to enter a plea of responsible to the amended charge of limited access. 30, it's actually 60 in a 55 mile per hour zone. Sir.
Yes,
you
ma'am.
need to slow down. Stop driving so fast all over the city, please.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The fine for this is $125. You have 14 days typically to pay civil infractions. Is that gonna be enough time for you, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right, it's gonna be due no later than December 16th. December 16th, $125, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, sir. Thank you. And thank you, Corporal McCree. Stay safe out there, please.
You're welcome. Thank you.
All right. You're all set, Mr. Wiley. Have a great day. Be careful, okay?
You too. Okay.
Thank you. I can just do the other folks. I want to get the officers out.
Mhm.
I had another officer. Okay, we'll have to do.
Andre Lamont Williams is ready for a plea.
Oh, Andre, thank you. I forgot. For what case? No, but I think the offer wasn't based on the Andre, let me find this stuff. No, we already checked it off. If you just call it. See, and that's why. That's why for that other two. Hold on a minute. Sorry. All right, let me get Andre Williams out. To Lamont Williams. Okay, I'm getting him out. Sorry, Officer Wright. Andre Lamont Williams Jr.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Andre Lamont Williams. This is ticket number SP 10524273. Improper plates. Ticket number SP 10524271. No insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 138356. 672, one count of supply false information and or ID to police officers. Ticket number SP 11840881, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Ticket number 194414781, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, please state your full name for the record.
Angela Mount Williams.
I'd also like to acknowledge the appearance of the good officer from the Detroit Police Department. Would you state your name, sir?
Oh, Sammy, right?
Judge, the defendant is going to here and now waive his right to any trial today. He's going to plead guilty pursuant to the recommendation. There are a number of matters that will be dismissed here, and on his behalf, I would stipulate to probable cause. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So, Mr. Williams, if you want to take advantage of this offer today, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Williams, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in either of these matters, sir?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir, I'm going to take your attention back to the date of January 2nd of 2020. Were you in the area of Joy Road and Westwood in the city of Detroit driving a Buick vehicle, sir?
Yes.
And did that vehicle have improper plates on it at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, I am. Thank you.
so much. All right, the court is satisfied as well. I will accept the plea to improper plates. There's been a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed. So the court is going to dismiss them at this time. Sir. My fine today is $200. Typically, how long would that take to pay? 30 or 60 days?
I could pay tomorrow.
All right, so I'll give you 30 days just in case. It's gonna be due January 3rd, 2022, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, sir.
Okay. Will it be in the system today, or I gotta wait like 4 hours?
Wait until Monday, okay? Wait until Monday to go in and pay for it, okay?
All right.
All right, if you have any reinstatement fees too, that may be extra, okay? I didn't include that, and those go to the Secretary of State's office, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Thank you, Officer Wright. I appreciate you being on today.
Thank you, man. Have a great weekend.
You too. Have a great day. Any other order I should go in at this time, Attorney Bosman, or just start going?
None in particular, Your Honor. I'm ready on everything except for there are 3 people that I'm waiting on offers for, and there's a one sentence. I sent Madam Clerk a chat. I'm looking for a pre-sentence report. Okay, thank you.
Rolanda West.
Yes.
All right, man. All right, now calling the matter of people versus Rolanda West. This is ticket number SP 132124881. This is one count entrance on loans, rates, time of payment, and computation. This is the date and time set for an arraignment on this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Would you state your name, please?
Rolanda West.
Thank you, Your Honor. The defendant is so not guilty. She's asking the court accept the not guilty plea here today, and we would like a bench trial by way of Zoom, please, and thank you.
All right, ma'am, if so, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. West, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
The
That's me.
gentleman,
That's me.
yeah, the guy that's on I'm sorry, Bachman.
Yeah, that's him. Did you talk to him about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward, ma'am?
Yes.
All right.
I can't hear you over, the volume is low, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Let me see if I can turn it up just a little bit for you, okay?
Yes,
And maybe your phone too. Can you hear me a little better now? Thank
it's
you.
okay, I'll try to listen.
All right. The date is going to be February 27th at 9 a.m. via Zoom, okay? February 27th, 9 a.m. via Zoom. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. So the same way you came on today, come on that same day, ma'am, for your bench trial, okay?
February the 27th?
That's right, 2/7, yep,
Okay, and you said at 9?
at 9 a.m., ma'am.
Okay,
All right. Okay, if there's nothing further, we're all set. It's no longer.
Your Honor, may I ask the person who appears as Tony's iPhone, is your name Aljanae Williams? I think I've interviewed that person. Oh, okay, I know who that is.
Anthony Wooten for the Tony's iPhone.
Okay, we're ready on Anthony Wooten, Your Honor.
All right. You ready to come into the frame, Mr. Wooten?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Anthony Wooten. This is Z ticket 8083961. This is one count operating while intoxicated. First offense, city notice. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
Yes, Anthony J. Wooten.
This is an arraignment, so we're gonna ask the court to enter a not guilty plea on the defendant's behalf. And our pleasure would be a pretrial. Next action date, please and thank you.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf, sir. I'm going to set this for a pretrial on the date of February 14th, okay? February 14th.
Okay, I got it, Your Honor.
Okay, that's gonna be at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom. Your bond set at $0 personal. One of the terms and conditions is that you can only drive if you have a valid license and that you can't drink, okay? No drinking and driving, please, and thank you.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. One thing, I had missed the court date previous, so they had suspended my license because of that. Any way I can get that lifted?
I mean, in the system, it can tell, they can see that you went to court now, but I don't know. We only send clearance if you complete everything that needs to take place, but I don't know. Would they suspend it if you missed the court date?
Probably so.
Yeah.
What type of ticket?
Okay. Who can I direct you to? Okay, all right, can you give my courtroom a call when you get a chance? Give us a little bit of time though, okay?
I think I'm showing he's clear, Your Honor, all but this case is showing a $45 reinstatement fee and a a $50 warrant fee for the instant case that he's here for today.
Oh, is that what it is? Okay, so that's what it is. Since we're handling this matter, you gotta pay the $45 reinstatement fee for that ticket in order to possibly have your license.
Your Honor, would you put a note on the file allowing the defendant to pay his reinstatement fee, on Monday or as soon as possible, and that way he should be able to be reinstated? Unless you have other issues outside of Detroit, Mr. Wooten.
No, I don't.
Okay. That's not an original idea, Your Honor. Judge Perkins does this.
All right, sir, don't disappoint me. If I let you pay this reinstatement fee so that you can get your license back and you get a new ticket, I promise that this will not be a good outcome for you, okay?
Okay, that's a fair deal, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, miss. I put on the file, and they pay reinstatement fee, okay? All right, so once you pay that, they should send clearance that you can have your license. You're probably still just gonna have a paper license though, until all of this is taken, because they took your real license away, didn't they?
Yes, originally, a couple years ago.
Yep, they're not gonna give you your real license back until we handle this matter completely, okay?
That's fine. So from here out, I handle it with Secretary of State. It'll be clear.
You're gonna pay that
How
45?
soon? Is it as soon as today or I have to wait till Monday?
Monday.
I'm sorry to
Monday.
interrupt. You're gonna pay that 45 at the courthouse, sir.
At the courthouse, okay.
Right.
And Monday still or as soon as today?
Monday.
Okay.
You waited all this time, now you want us to rush? No.
Oh,
Monday.
no, that's fine. I was just making sure so I don't go down there for no reason.
No, I understand. Come down Monday, okay?
Okay, thank you, Anna.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Okay, you too.
All right, bye. Did you talk to this, Devon West?
Yeah, Dejan West.
West,
We are ready on that case. The defendant is going to waive rights and plead.
all right. Dejon West,
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you're not driving, because you can't drive and be on my Zoom.
I'm parking right now.
Okay.
I'm parked.
Okay, now calling the matter of the people versus Dejan Ellis West. This is ticket P 1297538. One count disregard officer signal. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Please the court, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Mr. West, state your name for the record.
Dejan Ellis West.
Judge, the defendant's going to waive his right to any further hearings on the matter. He's going to plead guilty, and there is a recommendation for a delayed sentence.
If that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. I want to take your attention back to the date of January 9th of 2022. At that time, were you driving a Nissan vehicle in the area of Savannah and Brush Streets in the city of Detroit, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And did you disregard an officer's signal, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied, thank you.
Thank you so much. So the court is satisfied as well. We'll enter a plea to disregard officer signal in this particular matter. Sir, why would you do that? You drove through a crime scene?
I'm sorry. I'm gonna be honest with you, ma'am. It was. I didn't know it was a crime scene because he had no tape or no lights on. So I was just thinking I just had to move out, move over to the way a little bit, and that's all it was.
All right. Well, you'll have to pay a fine for this, okay? So you have, my fine today is $240, but this is on a 12-month delay sentence. So what that means is as long as you get no new tickets like this and you pay my $240 fine, this case is going to be dismissed, okay?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you have until that time to make the payment. We're gonna have a review of this a year from now. So that's gonna be December 4th, 2023, 8:45 a.m. As long as my cost is paid and you have no new tickets, this is dismissed, okay?
Gotcha. I really appreciate it, ma'am.
You're very welcome. All right, you have a good day. Get back to
Thank
work,
you.
okay?
You too.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. I have David West in two different places, so I was gonna bring him in.
We're ready.
Okay. David West, please press *6 on your phone. Can you hear us? *6 on your phone. You're not connected to audio on the phone that you can see us on.
Hello?
Mr. West? Hello?
Hi there.
Yes.
All right, you got a lot of feedback on your phone. I don't know why. Okay. Now calling the matters of the people versus, ooh, I might just have to have you put your phone on mute. It's real. Now calling the matters of the people versus David West. This is ticket P, no, ticket 194320942. No insurance misdemeanor. Ticket 194320941. No operator's license on person. Case number SP 8856192. No insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number SP 8856191. Drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman for the defendant. State excuse me, sir, state your name, please.
David West.
Thank you. Your Honor, Mr. West is here for arraignment, so for that purpose, we'll plead not guilty.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we proceeding?
He's got registration, valid insurance, and a valid driver's license. I have received those from Mr. West this morning and have sent photocopies of those documents to Mr. Gillis, indicating that Mr. West is compliant. Mr. Gillis indicated in reply, great, and thank you. So for those reasons, I'm going to ask that the court dismiss these cases for compliance, and I would stipulate the probable cause for the stop.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter, because he is now in compliance, you've seen those documents, send them over to the city attorney. The court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sir, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date, and in your vehicle while you're driving so that you don't have any more tickets, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Madam Clerk, would you resend the pre-sentence report? I'm sorry.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Timothy Ernest Williams. This is ticket P 1349878. Count 3, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Timothy Ernest Williams.
Thank you. Mr. Williams has paid I'm sorry, we're gonna.
That's right.
Okay, he's paid 2 accompanying civil infractions, Judge. So we're asking, and we've asked the prosecutor to dismiss the instant case. I would stipulate to probable cause for that recommendation here. Thank you.
All right, and seeing that he has paid the 2 civil infractions, the court is going to dismiss count 3 without prejudice. Sir, you are all set for today. Have a good day, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
It's over now.
Tony Williams.
Good morning.
Good morning. Now calling the matter of the people versus Tony Williams. This is ticket P 1356673. This is 1 count of improper plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, please state your name.
Tony Williams.
Judge, we're asking to adjourn so that the defendant can return in compliance.
All right, I'm going to set this matter for a pretrial, sir, on the date of February 14th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay, February the 14th, 2023.
That's right, sir. 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good day, okay, sir?
Okay, you as well.
I will, thank you. Sean Williams?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
How do you pronounce your first name? Nashawn?
Neil Sean.
Sean, okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Nelshawn Williams. This is ticket number P 1348073. Count 1, insufficient or defective lights. Count 2, expired plates. Count 3, driver's license expired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman, on behalf of the defendant, would you state your name, please?
Neil Sean Williams.
Thank you. Judge, I have in my notes that we're asking that this court adjourn this matter so that the defendant can return with compliance documents.
Is that right, Mr. Williams? You need to have some time to get some stuff up to date?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I'm gonna adjourn this matter until the date of February 14th. Yeah, I know that time of day. That's gonna be at 8:30 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay, Mr. Williams?
Yes, ma'am. I appreciate it.
No problem. All right, I'll see you then, okay?
Thank you. Have a good one.
Welcome, you too. Have a good day, okay?
Thank you.
All right, bye-bye. Janine Woods?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Got some music going on in the background. You're gonna have to stop all that for the hearing, okay?
Okay, well, I'm just logging back in, so I got it. Thank you.
You ready for the hearing?
Yes, ma'am.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Janine Woods. This is
Janine.
Janine, it is Woods. She must set the phone down. All right, Mr. Bachman, I'm gonna come back to her. She set the phone down, so I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna put her back in the waiting room. I don't have the patience this morning. Jamal Whitfield.
Good morning, Your Honor. Let me get to a quiet place.
Thank you so much. I
Apologize,
appreciate it.
I'm at work.
It's okay, I understand. And when you get there, please start your video for me, okay?
I'm running to the bathroom. Hello?
Hello, can you turn on
Yeah.
your camera for me, please?
Oh, man. You said turn my camera on? Hello?
Yes. All right. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jamal Whitfield. This is, you may have to put yourself on mute until I call your name, okay? You got some noise in the background. Let me put you on mute until I finish calling it. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jamal Antoine Whitfield. This is ticket number P 1353963. Count 1, drove while license suspended, repeat offender. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Ticket number P 1300792. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, disregard traffic control device. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for Mr. Whitfield. Would you state your name for the record, sir?
Take yourself off mute and say it real quick.
Jamal Whitfield.
Thank you. Judge, we're here for show cause, so we ask that a not guilty plea be entered for arraignment purposes. And then we're gonna tell the court that we would plead guilty here according to the recommendation. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, sir, if you want to take advantage of that offer, please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Yeah, unmute yourself. I muted you because you got some noise in the background. Unmute yourself. There you go. Unmute.
Yes, yes, Your Honor. Can you hear me?
Right. Yeah, I can hear you. Okay, put your hand down. Mr. Whitfield, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, they did not.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, I am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, I'm pleading guilty for the offense. Yes.
All right. Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? You understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, I do.
All right, sir, I'm going to take your attention back to the date of May the 18th of 2022. At that time, were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of Grand River and Evergreen in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time, sir?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor. I would also stipulate the probable cause as to the matter being dismissed.
All right, thank you so much. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plate on count 1. I'm going to dismiss count 2 of this ticket as well as the other ticket called on the record today. Sir, my fine is $200. How long do you need to pay that, 30 or 60 days?
How much was it, Your Honor?
$200 for my fine.
30 days would be fine.
All right, so I'm gonna have it due no later than January 3rd, 2023. Now, Mr. Whitfield, I wanna let you know, you have some outstanding tickets that went into default a while ago, like back in 2014 and 15. You have quite a few of them. So you need to work on paying those back, okay?
Okay, yes.
All right, because you have a lengthy list of them, okay?
Yes, I went to the Secretary of State and obtained a copy of them, Your Honor. I'm working on it.
Working on it. I can tell, Mr. Whitfield, it's a little trying.
I didn't even know.
All right, here's what I'm gonna do for you today. I'm gonna waive your cost and fine. Work on paying those other things in default back though, because they're stopping you from getting your license, aren't they?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm not gonna charge any new money, okay?
Okay.
Okay, just work on paying all those old tickets you had, you said, okay?
President Penny.
Pardon me?
I said, just work on paying up all those old tickets you owe back, okay? Good luck. to
Yes,
you.
I should. Yes, I will, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You have a blessed one as well, and happy holidays to you and yours.
Same to you. Thank you so much.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Is it Mania Wimberly?
Minier.
Minier, thank you. All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Minier Wimberly. This is ticket P 13511279. Count 1, driver's license never required. Also calling ticket number P 1351163. 21 to 25 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boppin for the defendant. State your full name for the record, ma'am.
Mingay Wimberly.
Thank you, and good morning, Ms. Wimberly. Judge, the defendant has been advised and instructed as to how to complete the Better Drivers course, and she's going to do that, and we're asking for an adjourned pretrial date so that she can come back and re-educated and let the prosecutor know what she's learned, and should probably be able to get that speeding charge reduced somewhat.
Okay. All right. I'm going to set this for a pretrial on the date of February 14th, ma'am. That gives you plenty of time to take the class and come back with the certificate for it, okay?
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna adjourn this. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, and it's at 8:30 in the morning via Zoom, okay? We'll be able to present that certificate, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, 1 second, sir.
What you say?
I said, hold on 1 second, sir.
Okay.
And I've also brought out Frederick Wells from the breakout room. I should have brought him out before. We're ready on Mr. Wells as well.
Hello?
Okay.
Stand by, Mr. Wells.
Mr. Woods, put yourself on mute. I'm gonna do Mr. Wells.
Oh.
Just give me 1 second. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Frederick Lester Wells. This is ticket number 358678, one count operating illegal marijuana facility. Ticket number 284283, operating an unlicensed marijuana facility, third offense notice. Ticket number 358632, operation of a marijuana facility without a license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Mr. Wells, state your name for the record.
Frederick Lester Wells.
Judge, the defendant is asking for a waiver trial date, please, by way of Zoom.
Is that
He's here
right,
for show
sir?
cause, so we're gonna enter a not guilty pleas for arraignment. Sorry.
No problem. So at this time, are we entering a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf, arraigning him on
Yes,
these
Your Honor.
matters? Sir, it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial in these matters, is that correct? Mr. Wells?
Ma'am?
I said, it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial in these matters, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or
All right.
affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to
All
talk to Attorney Hoffman about your case and about your rights?
Ma'am?
Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Boffman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
All right, and it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before a judge, that will be me, as a trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna set these on the date of February 27th, 2023, 9 a.m. Sir, I need you to find out how to get on the Zoom app, because these are via Zoom, and I need to see you on the day of trial. So you gotta talk to someone, get someone to help you get on so I can physically see you online for your trials, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, and I'll see you 9 a.m. February 27th for your trials, okay?
Okay.
All right, sir. You're all set.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
No problem. You're welcome. All right, Mr. Woods. Star 6. Mr. Woods. Mr. Wells, you're all set. You can sign off. Okay, all right. Mr. Woods, star 6.
Hello?
Hello. All right, there we go. Now calling the matter of the people versus Robert Leon Woods. This is ticket P1344205, one count hotel, motel, and restaurant defrauding. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Mr. Woods, state your full name for the record, please.
Robert Leon Woods.
Judge, Mr. Woods is asking for a waiver trial date by Zoom, please, and thank you. He's not guilty.
If that's the case, Mr. Woods, can you please raise your right hand?
Yes, sir.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts, sir. Is that how you want to move forward?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes,
I'm
you
gonna
are.
set- Yes, you're welcome. I'm gonna set this for a trial on the date of February 27th. February 27th at 9 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. Now, sir, it's going to be via Zoom, the same way you were on today, but I need you to find out how you can get the app either by computer or on your phone so I can physically see you the day of trial, okay?
Sure. Yes, you are.
Okay, all right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, sir, okay?
Okay, have a good day.
You too, sir. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Dejan Wolford,
Yes.
Mr. Wolford, can you take your do-rag off for me, please? Thank you. Now calling the matters of the people versus Dejan Ali Wolford. This is ticket P 1357782. Count 1, violation of restricted license. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Ticket number P 1350087. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Ticket number P 1270726. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 134626111. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2 of that ticket, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3 of that ticket, equipment violation or unauthorized equipment. Ticket number SP 134766462. One count stop street or intersection failed to stop. Ticket number SP 1402468. Count 1, equipment violation. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 134766461. One count, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, sir.
Dejan Walker.
Mr. Wofford is pleading not guilty, Your Honor, and asking for a waiver trial date by Zoom, please.
All right, if that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a waiver trial or a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward, sir?
Correct.
All right, I'm gonna set this for a waiver trial on the date of February 27th. That's 2023. It's gonna be at 9 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal for right now, okay, sir?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, stop getting new tickets because then we're just gonna have a whole bunch of extra tickets at your next hearing, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you. Have a good day, sir.
You too. Thank you.
All right, bye-bye. Mario Williams,
Yes.
just take off your hat for me, please, okay?
Okay.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Mario Martinez.
If he turned down.
This is ticket number SP 117333611, fraudulent false insurance information. Also calling ticket number SP 123434441, open alcohol and a motor vehicle driver. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. Mr. Williams, state your name for the record.
Mario Williams.
He's here for arraignment, Judge, so we're asking the court enter a not guilty plea and set the matter for a bench trial by Zoom, please.
All right, sir. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward, sir?
Yes.
All right, sir, I'm gonna schedule this for a bench trial on the date of February 27, 2023. I'm gonna set it at 9 a.m. It's gonna be via Zoom. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'll see you then, sir. Have
All
a
right,
good
thank
day.
you. You too.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. Jeanette Williams. Miss Williams. Aljanay Williams.
Yes.
All right, ma'am. You see me laying down in my bed?
No, I'm sorry. I'm with my kids.
Okay, all right. Sit up for me for the hearing, okay?
I can hear you now.
Okay. Good. Yeah. Okay, cool. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Aljanay Williams. This is ticket number 207130022. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the
Yes.
defendant. State your name for the record, ma'am.
It's okay, ma'am. State your name for the record now. I know it's okay. Say your name.
Alejandra Williams.
Thank you.
Okay. Alejandra Williams.
Thank
Miss
you.
Williams is here for arraignment, so for that purpose, we'll ask a not guilty plea be entered. And thereafter, we're gonna change our plea to guilty. There is a recommendation. She's gonna plead pursuant to its terms, and I would stipulate to probable cause as to any matters being dismissed here. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, Ms. Williams, can you please raise your right hand? The other right hand. It's okay. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, ma'am. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Boffman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the right that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, ma'am. I want to take your attention back to the date of June 27th of 2020. Were you driving at that time a Chevy vehicle in the area of Jefferson and Shane in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
While you were driving that vehicle, was it unregistered with the Secretary of State's office for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, and the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to drive unregistered untitled vehicle, dismiss the remaining charges per stipulation for probable cause. Ma'am, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay, 30 or 60 days?
60.
Okay, all right. So that brings us to February 2nd. Is that gonna be enough time, ma'am?
Yes, that's fine. Can I pay like in increments?
Yep, so what you can do is wait until next week sometime, but you can go in there and do like $50, $20. I think the minimum is at least $20, okay, when you go on there to pay, but you can put it and pay as you go, okay?
Okay.
All right, ma'am, if there's nothing further, you are all set. You have a good day, okay?
All right. Thank you. You have one as well.
All right, thank you so much. Have a good day.
Okay.
Miss White, Bernice White? Hello?
Yes, yes,
Okay,
yes,
Miss
I'm
White.
here.
I know you are, Miss White. Can you turn the camera on for me, please?
Turn the camera on.
There you
How do
go,
I
Ms.
do?
White. I see you. You got it on. You're good.
Okay, cause I don't know what to do about nothing.
I know. You're doing a good job, Ms. White, so don't worry about it, okay?
Okay,
All right. Now you got the
okay, I can't hear you now.
I know. You
Hello?
gotta, uh-oh. You got a lot of background noise. You gotta just get somewhere and be still, okay?
Okay, I had to be on the phone, but I'll take it off. Well, they leaving, okay.
Okay.
I'm
All right.
by myself now.
Okay.
Yeah, she taking them in the other room. I've been sitting here so long. Okay, is it okay now?
Okay, yes. Now calling the matter of the people versus Bernice White. This is ticket number P 1299969. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, defective brake lights. Count 3, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your full name for the record.
Bernice White.
Thank you, Ms. White, for your patience this morning. The defendant presented compliance documents.
You gotta mute yourself.
Okay, I got to leave out.
Okay, all right. It's all right. All right, how are we proceeding on it, Attorney Goffman?
She's in compliance, Judge. She sent me documents. Her LA insurance in her name expires in March of 2023 and is current and valid. And her registration to a 2000 Mercury, I've seen that, and that expires in 2024, January 3rd. I've sent those to Mr. Gillis. He's indicated his thanks, and we're going to stipulate to dismiss the instant cases with my stipulation of probable cause. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. White, did you get that tail light fixed too?
Oh, yeah, she sent me that too.
Okay, all right, fantastic. Okay, with that being said, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ms. White may have frozen, but she has been here all morning long, diligently waiting. The court's going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. You're all set, Ms. White. Thank you for coming in compliance. If she comes back, I'll let her know it's dismissed, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Ms. Wilson?
Yes.
All right, hold on a minute. Ms. White, you're all set. It got dismissed, okay? Okay, start your video, Ms. Wilson. All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Tyra Wilson. This is ticket P 1285656. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, drive unregistered and titled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P 1085340. 1 count drove while license suspended. Also calling ticket P 1286032. 1 count drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Boffman for the defendant. Miss Wilson, state your name.
Tyra Wilson.
Judge, the defendant has, for the most part, compliance documents. She just needs to bring in one other document. And we're asking for a next action date so that she can come back and have all these cases dismissed. We'd ask if you would set the matter for a pretrial, please.
All right. All right, what's the last document she needs to get, attorney?
Insurance. She's got registration, driver's license, but she doesn't have on her her certificate of insurance. She does have it, but she'll be able to bring that in.
All right.
Bring that to bear soon.
All right, I'm gonna give her January 17th, so she has most of her documents already. And so I'm gonna have you come back, ma'am, on January 17th, 2023, 8:30 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal on all of this. Bring back all your documents because Attorney Goffman may or may not be my house counsel, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you, ma'am. If there's nothing further, I'll see you January 17th. Bond is at $0 personal, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Ms. Woods?
Yes, ma'am.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Janine Woods. This is ticket number P 1322907. Count 1, expired plate. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name, please.
Janine Woods.
Your Honor, the defendant is here for, I thought it was just for the insurance, Your Honor, but you read several other cases. She did send me a compliance document with respect to the insurance. And
The other 2 were civil infractions.
Okay.
Did you pay on those tickets, Ms. Woods, or no?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear the first part you said, Your Honor.
I said that, I was letting him know that the other 2 were civil infractions. Are your plates up to date now, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have that registration, that little certificate they give you for the Secretary of State's office?
I do not have it with me because my car is in the shop.
Your Honor, I
Somebody
would
tried
ask
to-
you to take judicial notice of the fact that without that valid registration, she couldn't get a valid insurance policy to present today.
Mr. Wood, I mean, Mr. Baldwin, you know I need to see these documents.
Understood.
When is your car getting off the shop, ma'am? Because if I see that document, then we can dismiss all the tickets. But if I don't have that document, I can't dismiss all the tickets.
Okay, so what, okay, give me, for the registration, correct, you're saying the red and white.
Yeah.
So I will have to, you know what, I don't know, because somebody tried to steal it. So so it's in the shop being repaired, so it's kind of like on their timing. What I can do is, I mean, I'm sorry, go ahead, Your Honor.
I was gonna say, I can give you some time until January 17th. That way you can bring back in all the documents so you can ask for a dismissal.
Okay, so the insurance and then the registration, and that's all I need?
That's right, because if you have the registration, because I have it as no receipt of or unsigned registration. So if you have the registration now, that means your plates are valid as well. And so
Yes.
then you have your insurance. So if you just bring in that little thing, that will show me that that's okay, and you have your insurance. But I would rather handle it all at the same time as opposed to break it up
Right.
and then you don't.
Totally understandable. January 17th will be enough time, Your Honor.
Fantastic. So I'll put this on January 17th at 8:30 a.m. Hopefully I don't have as many people, Ms. Woods, so we'll get it through a little quicker, okay?
Okay, thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're very welcome. Have a good day. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, so you're all set, okay?
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Have a good day. All right, so
You
you
too.
just have that. Okay, bye, Ms. Woods.
I'm gonna go to room 9 and I'll be right back.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you. We ready for sentencing?
All right, fantastic. Let me follow. Now calling the matter of the people versus Elijah Yakani. This is ticket number Z808366. This is one count of operating while impaired. Appearances for the record. This is the date and time set for a sentencing. Starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman, on behalf of the defendant, sir, state your full name for the record.
Ajamu Osayande Jawara Yakini.
Thank you and good morning, sir. Thank you for your patience. Judge, the defendant is here and prepared for sentencing. Towards that end, we have reviewed the pre-sentence information together. We find it to be factually accurate. There are no additions, corrections, or deletions as to the recommendation. We would ask respectfully if you would follow same. Thank you.
All right, anything you want to say on your behalf, Mr. Yakani?
Not really a whole lot, just that I'm ready to go ahead and take my bumps and learn from my lessons, so I don't have to be going through this no more.
All right. You know, I take drunk driving very seriously because typically the person who gets injured if it's an accident is never the person who's drinking, okay? And I see that when you talk to the person who assessed you, that you did acknowledge that you used poor judgment, and I appreciate that, okay? It's one thing to act like you ain't know what happened. It's another thing to acknowledge that you made a bad decision and that you're not gonna make that decision again, okay? Because your blood alcohol level was high, okay? All right, so it's the sentence of this court at this point in time that he be sentenced to 12 months probation. Mr. Yakani, if you finish everything in a timely fashion, you can ask the probation officer to come back early, okay? But 12 months is the sentence as of right now. You're gonna have to attend the Victims Impact Panel, and you'll get a copy of all of this too, okay?
Will I? Okay.
Yep, alcohol highway safety education class, level 1. You can't consume alcoholic beverages right now while you're on probation, okay? You shall not use any illegal drugs unless prescribed by a physician, okay? You have to submit to a drug test twice a month randomly, okay? And you must, no, I'm not gonna make you attend the outpatient substance treatment. I will make you attend the outpatient substance treatment if you violate my probation, okay? The first time you violate it, you test positive for alcohol or an illegal substance you're not supposed to have, then you'll have to go to an outpatient treatment facility, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Will I get a copy stating that as well?
Yes, I'm gonna put on there, a violation equals outpatient treatment.
Okay.
Also, I'm going to charge a fine today in the amount of $300. You're going to have to pay the crime victims fee of $75. There's a supervision fee of $35 a month. That's times 12, so that's $420. There's also a fee of the testing. So the testing is twice a month. So at $20, that's $240, I believe. And they'll give you the right numbers, so we'll make sure. And then there's $100 court cost. So they'll tell you how much you owe, but you can tell it's a lot of money, right?
Absolutely.
All right, sir. And then if there's nothing else, I plan on you doing well. You sound like someone who realized they made a mistake. Okay, so I plan on you doing well, and hopefully the probation officer, I'm going to put on here, if he completes all terms and conditions, they can request that you be discharged early from your probation. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, sir. If there's nothing else, you are all set. Like I said, you'll get this information. But what you need to do is call the probation officer. You still have the number that you spoke to that person for. If not, I'll give you a number. Okay.
Let me take it.
All right, 313 965-3414. And tell them that you got sentenced today and that you are just sentenced. Give them your information, your case number, and tell them you got sentenced today, okay?
Okay, and do that as soon as we get off of this Zoom.
Yep, as soon as we get off, just let them know you took care of your business today, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing else, sir, I look forward to you doing very well on my probation, okay?
Okay, I do have one question for you, Your Honor.
Yes, you can go ahead.
So when this incident happened, the police, they confiscated my picture license, my physical license, and they gave me a temporary, a paper. Is there any way I could acquire a photo ID in this? No. So I just better hold on to that paper, right?
You just had to hold on to the paper. You could probably apply for like if you need like a photo ID, you probably have to apply for your, what is it called? State ID, so that you can have a picture ID, but they won't give you back your license until you finish probation.
Okay, so with the photo ID, I can just go to Secretary of State, right?
Yep, just go to Secretary of State and tell them that you just need a standard state ID, because they won't give you back your real license until you've completed all of this, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. I'm sorry about that, but that's what they do it to everybody too, so you're not singled out, okay? All right, if there's nothing further, sir, I wish you good luck on this, okay?
Okay, thank you, I
All right.
appreciate it.
You're very welcome, okay? You seem like you got your head on straight, so I don't know what happened this day. Poor judgment, okay? All right. All right, you're all set, okay?
Okay. Oh, so I'll be getting a copy of this information in my email address, I'm assuming.
Yes, the probation officer will let you know everything. When they talk to you, they're gonna let you know everything that you need to receive, okay? So they're gonna be your contact from now on. So they're my liaison from the court. So the only time you will come see me is if you violate or if they need to discharge you early, okay?
Okay.
All right. All right, you're all set, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good one.
You too. Can you believe that, Mr. Bachman? We are finished. You're on mute, so I can't even hear you talking to me.
I'm proud